Somewhere around your 40s, retirement stops being a word that belongs to other people. It used to sit way out on the horizon. It was the kind of thing your parents talked about at dinner. Then one ordinary Tuesday, you catch yourself doing the maths, and the number of working years left suddenly feels a lot smaller than it used to. That moment can land like a punch in the stomach. But here is the part almost nobody tells you. Your 40s are the single most powerful decade you have to shape how the rest of your life looks. Not because there is loads of time left, because everything is finally lining up in your favor at once. Think about where you actually are right now. Your income is probably the highest it has ever been. The frantic early years of tiny kids or tiny paychecks are easing off. You have 2 decades of work behind you. That means your super has already been growing for a long time, doing work in the background while you are busy living. What changes in your 40s is room to move. This is usually the stretch where you finally have the breathing space to make real choices with your money. And choices you make now get around 25 years to grow before you stop working. So start with the truth. Log into your super fund and look at the real balance. For a lot of Australians in their early 40s, that figure sits somewhere around $100,000. If yours is higher, you have a head start. If it is lower, that is useful information. The number on the screen is simply your starting line, and every good plan begins with knowing exactly where the line is. Then get clear on where you are heading. The Association of Superannuation Funds of Australia publishes a benchmark most planners lean on. The latest figures point to roughly $630,000 for a single person and around $730,000 for a couple to fund a comfortable retirement at 67. Comfortable means private health cover, a decent car, regular meals out, the odd overseas trip. Those numbers assume you own your home and that a part-age pension tops up your income later. Those ASFA targets can look huge from where you sit today. But you don't have to get there overnight. You have years to close the gap, and small steps taken now add up to a lot. Here is what makes those steps easier than they seem. Right now, your employer has to pay 12% of your ordinary earnings into your super. On a salary of $90,000, that is around $10,800 a year flowing in before you lift a finger. Your job is to treat that as the floor. Then you decide how much you want to build on top of it. Because the gap between an average retirement and a comfortable one usually comes down to what you add yourself during exactly these years. The best lever available to most people is salary sacrifice. You arrange for a slice of your pay to go into super before tax touches it. Instead of that money being taxed at your normal rate, which for many Australians sits at 30 cents or more in the dollar, it gets taxed at just 15% on the way into super. For a lot of people, that difference alone is worth thousands of dollars a year. Money that would have gone to the tax office goes straight into your own future instead. There is a limit, of course. The concessional cap for the 2026 to 27 financial year is $32,500. That includes everything your employer already puts in. So you work out the space that is left and you fill what you comfortably can. And here is the good news. Even a small amount makes a real difference. Sending an extra $50 or $100 a week into super still adds up to a serious sum over the years ahead. The point is to start with whatever fits your budget, then lift it a little each time your pay goes up. Now here is a rule almost nobody in their 40s knows about, and it can genuinely change your outcome. If your total super balance is under $500,000, you are allowed to carry forward any unused part of that cap from the past 5 years. So if life got expensive and you never added extra, those unused amounts have been stacking up in the background, waiting for you. In a strong year, a bonus, an inheritance, the sale of an asset, you can make a big catch-up contribution and soak up years of unused space at once. It is one of the most underused catch-up tools in the whole system, and your 40s are the perfect window to start using it. Compounding is the reason all of this matters so much right now. Every dollar you add today gets more than 20 years to multiply before you retire. The growth in those final years is huge because it is growth stacked on top of decades of earlier growth. Adding an extra $200 a fortnight from your early 40s can realistically turn into well over $150,000 more by the time you finish work, depending on returns. Growth is only half the story. It is just as important to plug the leaks. And two of them drain retirement balances. The first is fees. A difference of even 1% a year in fees might sound tiny, but across 25 years, it can eat tens of thousands of dollars out of your final balance. Check what you are paying and compare it against the low-cost options your fund offers. The second is your investment option. Many people are sitting in a conservative or balanced setting without ever choosing it. At your age, you still have decades for markets to ride out their bumps. Checking whether your money is invested in line with your timeline is a 5-minute job, and it can shift your whole result. There is another danger too, and it catches good people out every year. Someone rings with a can't-miss deal or a scheme that promises to unlock your super early. Real building takes time, so treat any shortcut as a warning sign. Your super cannot be touched before your preservation age, and anyone who says otherwise is after your money. When something sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Then there are the accounts you have forgotten. A huge number of Australians hold more than one super account from old jobs. Each one charges its own fees and often its own insurance, bleeding the balance dry. Rolling them into one fund through your MyGov account takes a single afternoon, and it can hand back money that was leaking out for years. It is one of the simplest, fastest wins available, and it costs nothing but a little attention. Debt deserves a seat at this table too. Retirement planning is not only about what you save. Every high interest balance you carry into your 50s is a weight on everything else. Clearing expensive debt now frees up cash later, exactly when you want to be pouring more into super instead of servicing a credit card. And if you have a mortgage, having a clear plan to own your home outright before you stop working changes the whole picture. Every ask for comfortable figure assumes you are not paying rent in retirement. There is one more thing worth doing this year, and it costs nothing. Sit down and picture what you actually want retirement to look like. A clear goal makes every other decision easier because you finally know what you are building towards. The people who get there rarely leave it to chance. They decide what they want, then work backwards to today. And you do not have to work all this out on your own. A good financial advisor can look at your whole picture and spot moves you might miss. And the cost is often small against what they help you build. If paid advice is out of reach right now, your own super fund can usually give you general guidance at no charge. Asking for help is a sign of someone taking this seriously. None of this means becoming a different person or living on tinned beans. It means a handful of real moves, made in the one decade where they still have room to grow into something large. Check your balance. Know your target. Lift your contributions where you can. Reclaim your unused cap. Cut your fees. Fix your investment mix. Round up your lost accounts and clear the debt that is holding you back. Any single one of those is progress. Together done steadily across your 40s, they can genuinely rewrite what your 60s look like. The people who arrive at retirement with room to breathe are almost never the ones who earned the most. They are the ones who started paying attention at exactly the age you are now. They gave their money the one thing it needs more than anything else, which is time. If this gave you a clearer picture of what is actually possible, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you there.